Hi, Almost Angels.
Hi, Chucky.
Your mission today is to answer the question, what's so cool about manufacturing? But I'm sending you some help. Ready to start, Almost Angels?
Yes, Chucky.
What do you know about manufacturing?
I don't know anything about manufacturing.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I don't know. Tell me what's so cool about manufacturing.
What do you know?
Nothing.
I'm Sermon Diego, here to interview Mr. Falco from Hydrotrek Pumps. What sparked your interest to join the manufacturing industry?
Well, manufacturing is neat because, at the end of the day, you get to create a finished product, send it to your customer, and hopefully make your customer happy. We've always had a reputation for building high quality products, and so it gives you a sense of pride knowing that you're making a good product and customers like it and they keep coming back to purchase more.
Hi, I'm Trick Dacey and I'm here to interview Sean. So, what sparked your interest in wanting to work in the manufacturing industry?
Well, I really enjoyed just working with my hands and working making things and whatever, and so this was a great opportunity.
My name is Shmurlock Shomes, and I'm here to interview Ben. What do you think is so cool about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing is keeps local businesses in company or in work, keeps people employed.
Hi, Almost Angels.
Hi, Chucky.
So, Almost Angels, did you find out what's so cool about manufacturing?
Yes, Chucky.
Manufacturing creates new things.
Manufacturing creates new jobs.
Manufacturing affects our everyday life.
Great job, Almost Angels.
Thank you, Chucky.
Bye.
Bye.